What is atmosphere without music and light? Whatever atmosphere you want to cultivate, you'll need the right music and lighting to set the mood and create the framework for the perfect experience. Lemus Life combines the power of music and light in a minimalistic Danish design that challenges everything you thought you knew about sound and light in restaurants, hotels, cafes, and shops. Lemus Life means freedom. The freedom to decorate and design the right atmosphere without any disturbing elements. Experience how vivid an atmosphere becomes when you combine the perfect sound with fine-tuned lighting that perfectly fits your needs. Our built-in 360-degree speaker plays high-quality wireless music without interruptions from unstable Wi-Fi or outside noise. And you can finally stop struggling with meter-long cables thanks to Multiconnect, which makes connecting an unlimited number of Lemus Life to each other simpler than ever. There's no need for expensive installers and a complicated setup. Create the perfect environment for your business with Lemus Life while saving money, time, and effort. Lemus is the future sound of business.